Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ThriveCart for checkout pages, full guide step by step clearly. To install ThriveCart for your checkout pages, start by visiting the ThriveCart website. Create an account by clicking the sign up button. Enter your details and complete the registration process. Once you've logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will find options for creating new products and managing existing ones. Click on the Products tab to start setting up your checkout page. Select New Product to create a new product. Fill in the required product details, such as name and pricing. Next, you will choose the payment options you prefer. ThriveCart supports various payment gateways, so select the one that fits your needs. After selecting the payment gateway, connect your account by following the on-screen prompts. Once your payment gateway is connected, you can configure additional settings like tax rates and shipping options. Now, move on to the Checkout Styles section. Here, you can customize the design of your checkout page. Choose from pre-made templates or create your own unique design. Make sure to preview the changes to ensure everything looks good. After styling your checkout page, proceed to the Integrations section. You can integrate with various email marketing services and membership platforms. Select the integrations you want to use and follow the setup instructions. Once all integrations are complete, save your changes. Now, it's time to finalize your checkout page settings. Once satisfied, publish your checkout page by clicking the Publish button. You will now receive a unique checkout URL. Copy this link for sharing on your website or marketing materials. Test the checkout process by making a sample purchase. Ensure that everything functions seamlessly from product selection to payment confirmation. If any issues arise, revisit the settings to troubleshoot. Congratulations, your ThriveCart checkout page is now live and ready for customers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.